Sport plays a big role in Australian life. Much like life, as we grow, we strive to be better, always looking for ways to improve, reaching our goals and our full potential. To maximise player performance, we're harnessing the power of data analytics, developing new ways to enhance and revolutionise sports coaching and decision-making processes. That's why Novigi and the Giants Academy are excited to announce the collaboration and launch of Novigi's newly built application platform, Playmetrics, powered by Illuminate.
The work we do at the Giants Academy is to identify and develop elite athletes, nurturing them to achieve their goals and dreams of reaching the AFL. One of the obstacles coaches are faced with is limited time to collate athletes' progress data and easily access it through one platform. This is where Novigi have stepped in with their Playmetrics solution.
Our Playmetrics platform is used to manage the Giants Academy's player data, such as performance and football skills metrics. These metrics are then transformed into visualisations and insights that can be used to improve decision making by coaches, recruiters and the players themselves.
This is an exciting time for the sports industry. Through the use of data science, there are many applications that our Playmetrics platform introduces to revolutionise processes such as coaching, training and recruitment. We are working closely with the GWS Academy to further develop the platform, and by helping to fill their data gaps, we aim to create a benchmark standard in data-driven sports coaching.
Playmetrics and our partnership with Novigi helps us to achieve and exceed our goals by enhancing our decision making to be quicker, targeted and more effective. We are looking forward to implementing Playmetrics into our coaching program to guide our athletes, helping them reach their full potential. The opportunities for this platform are endless and we look forward to seeing how this project evolves.